Did you know that the fastest learners in the world aren't students, they're CIA spies? They absorb months of information in days using secret brain techniques most people don't know exist. In this video, I'll show you their exact methods so you can learn faster, remember more, and unlock your brain's hidden potential. Technique 1. Brainwave State Hacking. Picture your mind operating on different frequencies throughout the day. Intelligence agencies discovered that certain brainwave patterns unlock superhuman learning abilities. They specifically targeted the theta state, that dreamy zone where your conscious mind steps aside and your subconscious takes over. Here's your action plan. Find theta frequency audio online, typically around 4 to 7 Hz. Play the audio 30 minutes before sleeping while reviewing your material. Your brain enters absorption mode automatically. Pro enhancement. Create a physical anchor. Touch your earlobe or tap your wrist twice during these sessions. Later, recreate that gesture during tests or presentations. Your mind retrieves everything instantly, like unlocking a mental vault with a secret combination. Technique 2. Controlled distraction. Training. Operatives don't get peaceful libraries during missions. They process critical intel in helicopters, crowded markets, and hostile environments. The secret? They trained their brains to function under pressure, not despite it. Your implementation: build your chaos ladder. Start with light ambient sounds, maybe rain or distant traffic. Every 3 days, escalate the intensity. Add overlapping conversations, construction noise, or sudden interruptions. Set random timers to jolt your focus. Why this works? Your attention muscle strengthens through resistance training, just like physical exercise. Within weeks, you'll maintain laser focus while your world explodes with noise. That library quiet requirement? Gone forever. Drop a comment below telling me your biggest distraction challenge. And if you're ready to level up your brain, subscribe now, because we're just getting started. Technique 3. Sensory encoding. System intelligence agencies weaponized your senses for instant recall. They discovered that memories attached to multiple sensory inputs become nearly impossible to forget. One agent could recall thousands of details simply by recreating the sensory environment. Your blueprint. Assign unique sensory markers to different subjects. Studying biology? Peppermint scent only. Working on presentations? Specific instrumental track only. Memorizing data? Wear a particular bracelet only during those sessions. During recall moments, trigger that same sensory input. The smell, sound, or touch activates the entire memory network. Your brain doesn't just remember, it relives the learning moment completely. Technique 4. Spatial Memory Architecture. Your brain already maps every location you visit. Spies exploited this by converting physical spaces into information storage systems. They could walk through a mental version of their apartment and extract any fact needed. Your system. Designate zones in your living space as information anchors. The coffee maker holds your top priority task. The window frame stores your key deadline. Your bookshelf contains your master concept. Every time you pass these locations, mentally recite the attached information. No apps, no reminders, just spatial reinforcement. Your environment becomes an external hard drive for your brain. Technique 5. Interleaved Processing Method. Standard advice says focus on one thing until mastery. Operatives did the opposite. They juggled multiple unrelated topics simultaneously and learned everything faster. Your approach: rotate between completely different subjects every 15 minutes. Jump from history to mathematics to language practice. This forces your brain to identify patterns across domains and strengthens neural flexibility. The payoff? Faster connections, deeper understanding, and memories that stick permanently instead of fading after exams. Your 4-week transformation protocol. Week 1. Master brainwave, state learning with theta frequencies. Week 2. Build distraction immunity through controlled chaos. Week 3. Implement sensory encoding across all subjects. Week 4. Combine spatial memory and interleaved processing. Execute this progression and watch your cognitive abilities transform. If this breakdown helped you, hit that like button hard. Subscribe and enable notifications so you never miss these brain upgrades. Remember, you're not working harder. You're working like an operative. Let's make average study habits a thing of the past.